Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make Google Chrome as a default browser in Realme XT on Android 10 running Realme user interface version 1.0. Okay, so this is my Realme XT device and I have Android version 10 installed on this and also Realme user interface version 1.0. Okay, so let me show you first. So let me open my settings app. Let me scroll down to about phone. Okay, so here is the about phone. Let me tap on this. Okay, and you can see guys, I have this Realme XT device and I have Android version 10 and also Realme user interface version 1.0 installed. Okay, so let me go back. Let me close the settings app. Okay, so guys, first of all you have to install Google Chrome app if you haven't done it yet. Okay, so just open your Google Play Store and just do a search for Chrome. So let me do that. Okay, and you can see guys, here I have this Google Chrome, this app. Just tap on this. Okay, you can see I already installed this app. If you have not done it yet, just install it. Okay, so let me close this Google Play Store. Okay, so let me open one link. Okay, so let me open my VLC. Okay, let me tap on this menu icon. Let me tap on this about. Okay, and you can see guys, here I have this link. So if I tap on this link, you can see it's opening in browser. Okay, so browser is the default browser app on this Realme XT device. Okay, so let's change this to Google Chrome. So let me close this browser app. Okay, so in order to change that, what you need to do, you have to open your settings app. Okay, so let me open my settings app. Okay guys, and after that you have to scroll down. Okay, and find this app management. Okay, and after that just tap on this. Okay, and here we have this default app. Just tap on this default app. Okay, and you can see guys, here I have this browser app. So currently this browser is the default one. Okay, so just tap on this and you can see guys, I have various options over here like browser. You can see currently this option is selected. Okay, and here we have this Google Chrome and here we have the UC browser. Okay, so you might see more than 3. Okay, or also less depending on how many browsers you have on your Realme XT device. Okay, so just tap on this Chrome. So let me tap on this Chrome. Okay, and you can see it's now selected. Okay, after that if I go back, you can see Chrome is the default browser app on this Realme XT. Okay, after that you can close this settings app. Okay, so let me open my VLC. Let's open that link again. Let me go to menu. Let me tap on this about. Okay, let me open this link again. So let me tap on this link. Okay, and you can see guys, the link is now opened. Okay, so let me show you that this is the Google Chrome web browser. So let me tap on this 3 dots at the top right. Let me scroll down. Let me tap on this settings. Okay, let me scroll down at the very bottom. You can see about Chrome. Okay, and let me show you another way. Okay, you can see I have this Google Chrome web browser. Okay guys, so that's it. In this way you can easily set or make Google Chrome as a default browser in Realme XT on Android 10 running Realme user interface version 1.0. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.